In this session, we're going to dig into the Insights application of JupiterOne, and I'm going to give a high-level overview of how to use the tool. So the JupiterOne Insights app gives users the ability to build shareable reporting dashboards using queries in JupiterOne. And these dashboards are fully customizable and extensible. As you can see here, when we first navigate to the Insights application, we land on the home dashboard. And this home dashboard is considered a team board that can be shared across all account users. There are several different types of widgets that you'll see right off the bat, and each one of them is configured from one or more JupiterOne queries. So some examples here, you can see what was added in the last 48 hours, the different resources, a count of them by type, mapped resources by type, the number of users added in the last 30 days in different formats, as well as billable entities, again in different formats, and resource compliance status. Within Insights, with any of our team boards, you can adjust the layout. And what I mean by that is if you click on any of these and drag them, you can move them around to however you'd like. And this is your own personal view. You can save this as the default layout, or if you start moving things around and you don't want this to be shared across all users, you can reset to the default layout and it'll pop it back into place. You can also, from any of our dashboards, add a widget, and we'll cover this in a separate section. You can download the board schema so that it can be shared, it can be uploaded and edited, and you can also share a dashboard with users outside of your organization as well. One thing you can do is if you click on these three vertical dots, you can edit the widget. And when you edit it, and just like when you add a widget, it'll come in, show the query that it is based off of, has some hints and useful information, examples here at the bottom. And you can override and save those. You can delete the widget as well. You can also run any of these and it will pop you back into the landing page of JupiterOne and will give you the ability to run the query and dig into that query. If you reload, if there were any changes that were made or any new data that's been ingested, you can update the widget. Last thing I want to cover in this session is for any of our dashboards, if you click on these three vertical dots at the dashboard level, you can rename the dashboard. You can also clone this dashboard and make edits, or you can delete it. At this dashboard view, you can see that there's team boards and also any personal boards that you have configured. Just like with any other application in JupiterOne, if you click on settings, you can jump into users and access, and you can control which users are admin users and can edit dashboards or add new dashboards, and which users have read-only access to view any dashboards that have been configured. This is an overview of the Insights dashboard and some of the tools that allow you to share this information both internally and externally. And in later sessions, we'll cover the ability to add widgets, add dashboards, and some of the pre-built out-of-the-box ones that you can leverage.